Every video you're watching right now was created using the free plans of the AI tools I'm about to show you. I spent hours testing dozens of different platforms one by one before narrowing them down to just 3 that are genuinely worth your time and that I actually use myself. To keep things completely transparent, I'm opening the free plan for every platform right here, showing you exactly what each one includes, and walking through the entire workflow step by step so you can create these videos yourself. This isn't clickbait, and this video isn't sponsored. If you're looking for a free AI video generator, I genuinely recommend trying these tools while they're still available. AI is evolving incredibly fast, and these free plans could become more limited, or even disappear completely, in the future. Stick around until the end because there's a very good chance one of these 3 AI tools is exactly what you've been searching for. I'll also share the access links for every AI tool at the end of this video. I'm Iman, and welcome to ImanGlobal. The first AI video platform is SnapGen AI. Click Sign Up in the top right corner of the website to create your account. You can register with your email, but for speed and convenience, I'm using Register with Google. Creating an account gives you 40 free tokens, although we won't actually need them. Inside Create Video, you'll currently find 4 different video generation models. Their availability rotates, so not every model is active all the time. I'll explain why in a minute. Available options include Google's Veo, Grok, Kling, and a model from ByteDance. For our first text-to-video example, set the provider to Veo. Notice the Generate button shows 0 credits, which means this model is completely free to use. From the available Veo models, choose Veo 3.1 Fast. You can also upload a reference image, use first frame or last frame, or even create image-to-video projects, but we'll leave those features for another tutorial. I've already prepared a prompt, so I'm dropping it into the prompt box. For aspect ratio, you can choose either landscape or portrait. Since this video is for YouTube, I'm selecting 16:9. One of the nicest surprises here is that full HD 1080p is available even on the free plan. Set the duration to the maximum of 8 seconds, then click Generate Video to send the prompt into the queue. Generation only takes a few seconds. Take a look at the result. The prompt describes an energetic band performing in a ruined post-apocalyptic world beneath golden sunset lighting. The AI recreated the entire scene beautifully, and the performers move in a very natural way. That's genuinely impressive. Right below the video frame you'll find the download button, which saves the video as an MP4 file. There's also an extend option that lets you increase the video length for free. Time for another test because I want to prove there's currently no practical limit on free video generation. I'm replacing the previous prompt with a realistic one while keeping the exact same settings, full HD resolution and an 8-second duration. Here's the next render. This prompt describes a beautiful, happy woman with a gentle smile and a soft bokeh background. Everything matches exactly the way I described it. One successful generation isn't enough to convince me, so I'm pushing Veo a little further to make sure the free access really holds up. A completely different and unexpected prompt goes in this time, while the resolution and duration stay exactly the same. The output is already waiting for us. This one features a robotic industrial peacock built from intricate mechanical parts with a predominantly yellow color palette, and the final result honestly looks incredible. Check out a few more videos I created using this exact workflow, completely free, just to remove any remaining doubts. Opening the history section gives you instant access to every video you've generated in one place. There's one important thing I should point out before we continue. At the exact moment I'm recording this video, I switch the model to Grok, enter my prompt, choose the resolution and duration, and hit Generate. Instead of creating a video, the platform displays an error explaining that Grok is currently under maintenance. Tomorrow the situation could easily flip. Veo 3 might be the one showing that exact same message. Whenever you want to check which models are available, open the status page. It shows the live status of every model, and in most cases you'll find at least one that's active and ready to use. Some models, like C-Dance, rarely become available for free, so don't be surprised if you don't see them very often. The good news is that as long as one model is available, you can keep generating videos for free. The second AI video tool is Rabonio. Unlike the previous platform, this one uses a node-based workflow. It looks different at first, but it's actually very easy to understand. I've even covered it in earlier tutorials on this channel. Click Login in the top right corner. You can sign in with your email, Google account, Facebook, or Apple. Google is the quickest option, so that's what I'm choosing. As soon as you log in, you'll receive 150 free tokens. Click New Project to get started. A node-based workspace opens immediately. On the left side, you'll find Rabonio's built-in LLM, which you can chat with whenever you need. To create a video from text, press the large plus button. A video node appears. Select it and the prompt box, along with all the video settings, becomes visible underneath. By default, it's already configured for text to video. Another prompt I prepared earlier goes straight into the prompt box. Next comes the video model. Open the drop-down and choose whichever model you prefer. Options include Google Omni Flash along with several Seedance models. Changing models automatically updates the required token cost next to the Generate button. Based on the number of tokens available in my account, I'm selecting Seedance 1.0 Pro. For aspect ratio, I'm choosing 16:9. The resolution will be 720p, and the duration will be 5 seconds. Since I'm recording this tutorial, I want to manage my remaining tokens while still showing you a fair, honest example with solid quality. Naturally, you can adjust these settings however you like for your own projects. One feature I really like on this platform is camera movement. Instead of writing technical camera instructions yourself, you can apply cinematic camera motion presets with a single click. Since my prompt already includes custom camera movement, I won't be using that option in this example. These settings use only 39 tokens, leaving plenty for additional generations. Generate the video. The render finishes almost immediately. See how it turned out. The text-to-video result follows the prompt extremely well, looks highly realistic, and the motion feels smooth throughout. The download button sits in the upper right corner of the preview window. This node can also be connected to others for features like extend or upscale. If you'd like a dedicated tutorial covering those workflows, leave a comment below and I'll happily make one. The most interesting tool in this tutorial is TikTok Symphony, and if you're creating vertical videos for Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, I highly recommend giving it a try. You can sign in with your Google account, TikTok account, or your email. I'm using Google because it only takes a couple of clicks. As soon as you log in, you'll receive 1,000 free tokens. The best part is that these tokens refresh every week, giving you enough credits to generate up to 200 free videos. The platform offers a wide range of features, but we're going to focus on the ones you'll probably use the most. From the menu on the left, click Create. The prompt box is located at the bottom of the page. By default, the Video tab is selected and the mode is set to reference to video. Switch it over to text to video. Drop your prompt into the box. The built-in video model on this platform is called Video 1.5 Pro. Video length can be set anywhere between 5 and 12 seconds. For this example, I'm choosing 5 seconds. Generating this video only costs 5 tokens, so click Generate. The result comes back almost immediately. Here's what it created. A red Lamborghini drives along a winding mountain road, matching my prompt extremely well. It's already ready to upload as a YouTube short, Instagram reel, or TikTok video. The download button is waiting in the upper right corner. Next, we're moving over to text to image, because I want to animate these images in the following step. Open the Image tab. Now enter your prompt into the prompt box. Choose Nano Banana as the image model. Flux Context Max is also available from the same list. Image generation doesn't consume any tokens, so this entire process is completely free. Generate the images. A moment later, everything is ready. Here are the results. Once an image has been generated, turning it into a video is incredibly simple. Move your cursor over the image you want, and the Generate Video button will appear. Click it. The selected image is automatically added as the reference image and first frame, and its thumbnail immediately appears inside the prompt area. I'll describe the animation I want directly in the prompt box. Last frame is available as well, giving you much more control over how the video begins and ends for a smoother, more natural result. choose the video length and generate it. Only a brief moment later, the animation is finished. Take a look at how it turned out. I've also generated several more examples in this section, so check those out as well. Another feature that really stands out on this platform is Product Avatar. It allows you to create AI-powered product advertisements completely free. Open the Tools menu on the left, then select Product Avatar. Upload a picture of your product. Next, press the plus button to choose an avatar. A huge collection of avatars appears on the screen. Filters let you narrow the list by pose, age, gender, and even background style, making it much easier to find exactly the look you're after. Once you've found the right avatar, select it, then click Add. Now click Generate. The platform creates 4 different promotional images featuring your product and the selected avatar. If none of them look the way you want, simply generate another batch until you're happy with the results. Choose your favorite image, then click Animate. 4 promotional scenes are generated, each featuring the avatar presenting your product in a different way. Take a look at the results, choose your favorite, then click Add VoiceOver. In the script section, write the message you'd like the avatar to say. Next, open the Select a Voice section. This is where you can customize the voice, language, accent, age, gender, and speaking speed. For this example, I'm setting the language to English. The narrator's age will be between 20 and 30. I'm also choosing a female voice. Based on those filters, the platform displays every matching voice. Preview as many voices as you like, choose your favorite, and it'll read your script automatically. When everything looks good, click Generate. The final video only takes a few seconds to finish. A complete promotional video featuring a talking AI avatar is created using the exact script and settings you selected.
I'm really impressed with this ImanGlobal fragrance. I'll definitely be getting another bottle.
Without recording a single shot yourself, you can produce polished product advertisements in just a few minutes. You can see the links to all the AI tools featured in this tutorial on the screen right now. I'll also leave them in the description and the pinned comment for easy access. And this is just the beginning. The world of AI video generators is evolving incredibly fast, and in the upcoming videos I'll be showing you even more powerful tools. If you made it all the way to the end, you're an absolute legend. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.